Welcome to Lettering World, where the art of calligraphy turns simple letters into stunning artwork. Today, we're diving into the essentials, the tools and materials that will set you on the path to creating your own calligraphic masterpieces. Whether you're an aspiring calligrapher or just curious about this beautiful art form, knowing your tools is the first step. Let's start with the most important, the pens. Dip pens consist of a nib, which comes in various shapes and sizes for different strokes, and a holder. They require you to dip them into ink as you write, offering unparalleled control and precision. Brush pens, on the other hand, are perfect for beginners. Their flexible tips mimic the pressure sensitivity of traditional brushes, making them very user-friendly. And for those who prefer convenience, calligraphy markers are a great alternative, offering consistent ink flow and a variety of nib sizes. Check the links in the description for easy links to these pens. Next up, let's talk ink. The type of ink you choose can greatly affect your work's look and feel. Water-based inks are ideal for beginners due to their ease of use and cleanup. Pigment inks, with their vibrant colors and opacity, are perfect for projects that demand a punch of color. And for those special projects, specialty inks can add an exciting twist to your calligraphy. The paper you choose is just as crucial. High-quality paper not only enhances your work, but also ensures the longevity of your tools. Smooth paper is great for beginners, providing an easy surface for your pens to glide over. Textured paper, while challenging, can add a unique touch to your artwork. And if you're using wet inks or washes, coated or watercolor paper can be your best friend, preventing bleeding and feathering. A few more tools to consider are a good ruler, a soft pencil for sketching guidelines, and a quality eraser that won't damage your paper. And for those intricate projects, a light pad can be a game changer, allowing you to trace and perfect your designs with ease. Click the link below for the best light pad available. Armed with the right tools and materials, you're now ready to embark on your calligraphy journey. Remember, practice is key, and experimenting with different tools will help you find what works best for you. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more calligraphy tips and tutorials.